So I completed the assembly of one of my square rail linear bearings, and I wanted to see how well it would hold up to a torque load to see how much better it is than the round rails. So what I've got here is this super hokey setup where it's clamped to these sawhorses, and I've got a crescent wrench attached to the bearing and my dial indicator down below to get a reading of deflection when I load it. And what I've got here is about 780 grams of weight. So I'm going to put that onto the hook there, and we'll see what happens. Get you in close to the dial. And this dial's in thousandths of an inch. It's about 6 thousandths of an inch deflection. And there it is all rigged up. That's pretty good, I think.